Welcome to Redline Review. The 2026 BYD Motorhome revolutionizes sustainable luxury travel with enhanced electric mobility, modern comforts, and smart technologies. It ushers in a new era of clean, connected motorhoming for eco-conscious adventurers who value style, space, and innovation. Exterior design and performance. Elegant and modern, the 2026 BYD Motorhome is immediately noticeable. A streamlined aerodynamic shape decreases drag to maximize range, while dramatic LED trademark lighting and a broad, confident stance show its forward-thinking attitude. BYD's newest dual-motor all-electric engine provides quick torque for smooth acceleration and quiet driving. The high-capacity Blade battery pack can go 500 kilometers, 310 miles, on a single charge, and fast charging recharges 80% in 45 minutes. Regenerative braking boosts efficiency and range on lengthy drives. Interior design, materials step inside to find an airy, stylish space made of sustainable and high-quality materials. Soft-touch vegan leather seating, recycled wood veneers, low VOC upholstery and trim, full-length panoramic glass roof for natural light. The open-plan lounge has a retractable 55-inch OLED smart TV, a premium surround sound audio system, and two modular sofas that turn into king-size beds. Gourmet dining and kitchen, modern convenience, and healthful cooking are in the fully equipped kitchen. Touch-controlled induction cooktop, a convection microwave oven, and a smart refrigerator with adjustable temperature zones. Deep drawers and pull-out pantry storage. Filtered water dispenser and compost bin. A four-person dining room next to the kitchen can be used as extra space. Bathroom, private bedroom. A large spa-like rear bathroom has walk-in shower with rainfall and handheld options. Heated flooring. Backlit anti-fog mirror. Matte black designer fixtures. Water-saving smart toilet. The private bedroom has a soft memory, foam mattress, adjustable reading lighting, and extra wardrobe storage. Tech and connectivity smart living is shown in the 2026 BYD Motorhome. 15-inch touchscreen central control hub. BYD smart home ecosystem for voice, Josh app-controlled lighting, climate, and appliances. 5G internet access with built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. Solar roof panels and lithium battery bank for off-grid power driver aid in safety. A broad spectrum of innovative driver assistance systems makes every trip safe and easy. Adaptive cruise control, auto emergency braking, lane centering and departure warning, 360-degree camera views, cross-traffic alert and blind spot monitoring. Efficiency and sustainability. Building on BYD's commitment to sustainable innovation, the motorhome has eco-friendly materials, zero tailpipe emissions, regenerative energy technologies, and smart energy management for battery consumption and solar input. Summary: the progressive 2026 BYD Motorhome combines all-electric performance, luxury amenities, and intelligent technology into a refined and sustainable living option.